Namo Phat. Thanks so much for joining me for our daily practice check-in. Listen, listen, listen. This beautiful sound calls us back to our true home. The first mindfulness training. Aware of the suffering caused by the destruction of life, I vow to cultivate compassion and learn ways to protect the lives of people, animals, plants, and minerals. I am determined not to kill, not to let others kill, and not to condone any act of killing in the world, in my thinking or in my way of life. For our Dharma lessons, we're now reading Taming the Monkey Mind, A Guide to Pure Land Practice by Buddhist scholar Cheng Wei-an and Dharma Master Suddhisukha. Today we're reading Reflection 24, Recite the Buddha's Name in Earnest. In daily life, if you see anyone stuck in a situation that deserves compassion, but you do not respond, it is contrary to human morality. However, if you only develop intellectual compassion, but fail to act, how can you merge with the compassionate nature of the Buddhas? Once compassion has developed, you must find a way to save others from suffering, a way to help all sentient beings escape suffering once and for all. You should realize that the reason why Buddha Amitabha is honored with the title Great Compassionate Being is that he always rescues sentient beings. Since it is based on this compassion that you seek the Buddha's assistance to escape suffering, how can you fail to recite with the highest level of resolve? Commentary. The purpose of Buddha recitation is to transcend birth and death. However, birth and death is a heavy chain, extremely difficult to wrench free of, as our bad karma and afflictions are too deep-rooted. Moreover, transgressions and evil karma are accumulating continuously, day in and day out. If our power of recitation is weak, and our thoughts are not utterly sincere and determined, we cannot escape birth and death ourselves, let alone help others. Therefore, we must be extremely earnest and sincere in reciting the Buddha's name, so as to be in unison with his compassionate mind, like a lost child who longs to be reunited with his mother. May all beings be well. May all beings be happy. May all beings be at peace. Namo Phat. Thanks so much for joining me today.